Palestinian journalist loses his eyes by Israeli bullet. Muad Amarna was shot by Israeli sniper in his left eye. Israel strike dozens of targets in Syria. Warplane attack targets of Syrian forces and Iran's Quds force in response to rocket fired overnight. French soldier only remains in Syria with US help. Around 200 soldiers hold 4 locations in Syria's Raqqa, Deir ez-Zor and Hazaka province, according to local sources. Ex-army contractor announces Egypt rescue roadmap. Muhammad Ali says Sisi regime threat to Egypt and Europe. Over 100 people killed in Iran protest. Amnesty. Civil rights group says death toll may be much higher in Iran protest that erupted over fuel price hike last week. Iran may buy advanced weapons in 2020, Pentagon says. Iran evaluating purchase of military hardware from Russia and China, reports by Pentagon suggested. UNICEF 120 Yemeni children needed urgent help. Yemen remains among world's most worst country for children, says UN Children Agency. Bosnia agrees to form new government. Balkan country without government since October last year. Canada teachers file suit against religious symbol ban. Quebec union member rights violated by law, say lawyer. US welcome release of 2 professors in Afghanistan. American Kevin King and Australian Timothy Weeks abducted at gunpoint in Kabul in August 2016. Helicopter crash kills 2 US soldiers in Afghanistan. Preliminary report does not indicate crash caused by enemy fire, says NATO-led Resolute Support Mission. Help to set up humanitarian corridor to aid Kashmir. Pakistan administered Kashmir president tell Turkey to convince India to stop anti-people actions in region.